For sale, 2016 Freightliner M2 Altec AA55E material handling bucket truck. The 2016 Freightliner M2 equipped with an Altec AA55E aerial lift, is a dependable heavy-duty bucket truck, purpose-built for electrical utility, sign, and infrastructure maintenance work. Powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine rated at 250 horsepower and mated to an Allison 3500 RDS automatic transmission, it delivers robust torque, smooth power delivery, and the reliability expected from a proven vocational platform. With a 34,300-pound GVWR and Class 8 heavy-duty chassis, it provides the strength and balance needed for elevated work and material handling applications. The Altec AA55E articulating and telescopic boom offers a 61-foot working height and 56-foot platform height with a 43-foot side reach. It's equipped with a 700-pound material handling jib and Category C 46 kilovolt insulation rating, ensuring safe and efficient operation in high-voltage environments. The boom features continuous rotation, hydraulic leveling, and hydraulic extending jib capabilities, along with Altec's ISO grip control system for smooth, precise movement. Additional features include a heel winch, tool hydraulics, and a side-mounted bucket configuration with hydraulic tilt and rotation functions. The truck is built on a 200-inch wheelbase and equipped with front spring and rear air suspension for a stable and comfortable ride. It includes a steel utility body with multiple lockable compartments, dual outriggers for maximum stability, and a Tire Boss tire pressure control system. Additional equipment includes a power inverter and front-mounted winch for job site versatility. Fleet maintained and one owner, this unit comes with a clean Carfax and complete service records. Finished in white with a gray regular cab interior, it's a fully operational, ready-to-work bucket truck designed for reliability and performance in demanding field environments.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.